in building these aircrafts, a lot would have to be done. So many structures are going to be built separately and at the end put together, because it's going to be a very very structural build, and it's going to contribute this is going to contribute to the overall rigidity of this project. So now basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make the side members and the cross members. So you know what I mean. In aircraft there's the cross members, the side members. This is what's going to make the overall structure of the aircraft. It's going to contribute to the basic shape of the aircraft. So as you can see, this is a shape. It's not exactly a circle. According to the original shape of the Reaper drone MQ9, you would know that's the shape it has. So I decided to divide it into several sections. Each section is going to be having its own special shape and size. I divided it to about 7 sections. Each section has its own size and also its own shape. This will contribute to the shape of the aircraft, symmetrical shape, and the round cylindrical shape of the aircraft. So as you can see, this is one of the shape of the aircraft, and it's all going to be joined together at the end with welding machine. What you guys see I'm doing here now is the longeron. So the longeron is basically a structure, or should I say it's a pipe, or whatever you want it to be, but it's going to run from the beginning of the aircraft to the end of the aircraft, holding together different sections and compartments together. It's just the primary purpose of the longeron is to hold together the entire structure and contribute to the overall rigidity and strength of the aircraft. It holds all the compartments, the side crossers, the side members. It holds all of them together. As you can see, I have bored holes in them. They're going to be holding the entire aircraft together, contributing to the rigidity and strength of the aircraft, so it doesn't collapse when wind comes upon it, when there's heavy wind and stuff like that. Remember, it's going to be a very very structural build, and I haven't started with the process of welding yet, but these things I'm doing are very very significant and very important. They have to be done. On to the next phase of our project. Now guys, every aircraft has a particular wing shape design and airfoil. The Reaper in particular has a tapered wing shape. The tapered wing shape is one of the most strategically difficult designs to get, especially when you're trying to build it structurally, not using foam board. Building it structurally, I had to devise this triangular method so I could get the slope of the tapered wing right. So I've gotten it, and obviously I have to cut out the templates so I can finally cut it out on the metal plates, which is going to make the rib, which is going to be the actual rib of the aircraft. Now guys, I have to sellotape it, and so I can get the cutting out straight and neat. So now guys, cutting it was actually difficult, and you have to be careful, and that's a slow process, but you have to get it right. And finally guys, we have our first root rib of the aircraft.